Hello everyone, welcome back to our Facebook page. Next, we have to draw the lines like this and then we'll be converting it into a face. So make the eyes, nose and mouth, make her hands like this. Now we have to draw the lines as if the person is holding something. So it's a baby. So now we have to draw the collar of the man, make her sitting position like this, make her legs, his legs and the seats and a tool like this. And it's ready. Don't forget to color it if you want, or you can leave it as it is. And you can fill the black color over the hairs like this as shown in the video. So it's a woman and it's done. Next we have to put the dots like this. So take pink and blue color like this, put the yellow one over it as well. Now we have to put the black dots to make the hairs of the girl or the boy or the people in the crowd. So join their hands like this and make a circle. Make their legs as well. Now we will be making it their shadows with the help of the pencil. Now we have to spread it with the earbuds like this and it's done. Next we have to draw the lines like this. Make the ears and the face like this. Now we have to make its eyes, nose and the mouth. Now make its collar and the shoulder like this. So you can see we'll be drawing the lines. Now make his hands. So here the girl is wearing the school dress. Now make her long hairs on the back. Make the bow, color it and it's done. Next we have to draw the lines of the rainbow like this using different colors of your choice. So now we have to take the red color and put them in a line like this and spread it with the finger. See how beautiful it's looking. You can use different colors of your choice. Here we have taken rainbow colors. Make its hands and legs and make the heart shape like this and it's done. Next draw a circle, make its eyes. So that's not the correct way. Next, draw the face like this. So first we'll be drawing the hairs. Now make the ears on the sides and then the face. Now we'll be making the eyes, nose and the mouth of the boy. Now we'll be making the collar of it and it's done. Next we have to draw the lines as shown in the video. Now after that we have to make its face. Draw the eyes, nose and the mouth of it. Make the collar and the shoulder of the boy. Now you can make the hairs or the long hairs to turn it into a girl. So you can see we have made the dead hairs, color it and it's done. Next draw the line like this with the black marker. So we are writing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we'll be writing 1 to 10 digits like this to make a man like this and make its eyes and it's done. You can color it, otherwise it's done. Next we have to make the face of a girl. So for that we'll be making the lines like this. Now we'll be joining it from the top. Hairs of the girl. Now make its eyes, ears, nose and the mouth. Now make his shoulder. Now after making the collars of a dress, we'll be making her shoulder. Join it and color it as per your choice. Now make the bow on the sides like this, color it and it's done. Next we have to draw the letter L like this and then make the face of the girl or the boy. Now make the eyes, nose and mouth. Now make the shoulder and the collar of the dress like this and it's done. Thanks for watching our video.